That moment, the freeze. Your Orthodox opponent is a statue, a perfect target, locked in place. You think it's a moment of confusion. You think it's a lucky break. You are wrong. That is not a mental error. It is a system crash, and it is not an accident. You can force it to happen. In this video, I'm giving you the 3 inputs that will trigger a cascading system failure in any Orthodox fighter. The freeze isn't a flaw in their character, it's a flaw in their programming. This video is the exploitation guide. I used to think landing a big shot on a frozen opponent was just luck. Then I realized the greats don't wait for the freeze to happen, they cause it on purpose. They're not fighters, they're hackers. An Orthodox fighter's footwork is programmed to circle away from a power right hand. Against you, that instinct is now wrong. You are a walking paradox for their footwork software. By constantly probing for the dominant outside angle, you ask their brain a question it has no pre-programmed answer for. Where do I step? This hesitation is the beginning of the freeze, the angle probe. You don't have to win the angle every time. Your job is to constantly threaten it. Use your jab and small feints to force them to think about their position. The more you make them think about their position, the less they can think about their punches. Their feet are frozen. Now you crash their defense. Their right hand is hardwired to parry an incoming jab, but your lead hand isn't a jab. It's a hook, an uppercut, a frame. It's in the wrong place, doing the wrong thing. Your lead hand is a ghost in their machine. It's an input their defensive software doesn't recognize. When they try to parry a jab that isn't there, their right hand is pulled out of position, creating the opening for your real attack and deepening the system crash. The hand control obsession. Your lead right hand's job is to be a constant, unpredictable irritant. Touch their glove, frame their shoulder, feint a hook. You are intentionally feeding their brain confusing data until it overloads and freezes. If you're here to learn how to hack the system, not just play the game, you belong here. Hit subscribe. Their feet are frozen, their defense is frozen. Now you exploit the final, fatal error. An Orthodox fighter's entire system is built to deliver a straight right hand and defend against one. In your stance, their primary weapon is offline. You are not just dodging their best punch, you are making their most trusted weapon a useless limb. Every time they instinctively try to throw it from the wrong angle, their brain receives an error message, path blocked. This is the final trigger for the total freeze, the slip and rip. By slipping outside their jab, you not only load your own power shot, you put yourself in a position where they cannot land their straight right. You are proving to their system again and again that their best weapon has a 0% chance of success, forcing the freeze. The final secret is this: an Orthodox fighter can solve one of these problems at a time, but a Southpaw is not one problem. You are 3 happening simultaneously. You are a footwork glitch, a lead hand anomaly, and a power line mismatch all at once. The freeze is not a reaction to a single move. It is the inevitable result of a complete and total cascading system failure. Stop waiting for openings. Start creating system crashes. Use these 3 inputs to overload their programming, and you will find that the freeze isn't a lucky break. It's a weapon that you can create on demand. Which of these 3 glitches do you see most often in your Orthodox opponents? Let's get a tactical debrief going in the comments. If you're ready to master this system, subscribe now. And if you're an Orthodox fighter who just had a moment of terror, you need to watch my How to Shut Down a Southpaw guide right here on the screen. It's your patch update. Train smart, stay ready.